Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Grove collaborative haul. I have gone, well, not nuts really. I've just been having fun with my cleaning supplies, and really getting some new cleaning supplies has helped me kind of jumpstart back into organizing and cleaning. So I have purchased a few things. I will talk about some things that I'm really loving, and I think some of the things are new to me and some of them I've already used and all that. So as like my previous videos, I will have a referral link. So now the referral link down below that I'm going to include gets you a 5-piece free kit, I guess you could call it. I'll show you what's in that in just a minute. I think you have to make a $20 purchase, and then this, like when you click on the link, it'll automatically take you and it'll add the items into your cart, the free items. So let me explain that, because you can change some of the things like the scents in your cart. So this is what you would get, or you can choose. So this is the bucket that you get. They have a few. They have like a red, white, and then they have this pomegranate one. Now the other side, if I can just flip it around here. The other side, I haven't taken it out of the bag yet. The other side is, it doesn't say anything. So if you want to display that, it's super pretty. So inside what you get is a Miss Meyers multi-surface cleaner. You can choose the orange clove. You can choose the peppermint. You can choose any of the scents that you want. You don't have to use the default ones that they throw in there for you. And they have the peppermint and the pine and this orange clove, which I think are the seasonal scents for now. So you get that, and then you get a free dish soap. So I got it in the peppermint scent, and then you get, hand soap in the Iowa pine scent. So again, you can change any of these scents to whatever you want, whatever the Miss Meyers scents that are available, and they usually have all of them available. And then you get a 2-pack of the walnut scrubber. So that's the 5 items. And then for some reason they threw in for free it's a 16 ounce spray bottle. And let me just show you what it looks like. I've been wanting to change over to glass for a while. So it comes in this really nice like tube, and then it comes with a silicone sleeve, which I think you can choose your color on this too. Now, it's funny because my husband and daughter were like, oh my gosh, we want to support you, which is so funny. So they went and used my referral link, which is how I got this other tub. I'm going to put this one in my daughter's bathroom, and then the other one will go in our bathroom. But yeah, so we got a glass sprayer. So, and it's got the silicone sleeve on the bottom, and this seems really sturdy, you know, like you're not gonna, it doesn't seem like it's like super breakable or anything. So I think you get that free too. I don't know, just when you add stuff in your cart, it'll like throw other things in there that are like community favorites, or they'll say like things other shoppers like you enjoyed, but you just have to click them off and then add what you want. So you do have to make a $20 purchase, and then you get a free 2-month VIP membership, which gives you free shipping on all of your orders. So I thought, you know, after the 2 months was up, I was like, you know what, I'm probably just going to cancel before the 2 months is up. I don't know that I need to order, but you can make orders, like you can skip a couple months if you want. You can just buy what you want. Like there's no minimum quantity. Like you can get like a dish soap and a hand soap, or you can get all hand soaps. Like we do that once a month anyways. We go to like Bath and Body and we'll buy like 6 hand soaps or whatever once a month. So I figure, you know, if I want like 3 hand soaps, which would probably be enough for our house for a month, I could do that as well. But you can skip months. You can, you know, order as much or as little as you want. I don't think there's any minimum, not that I found so far. So yeah, so if you have any questions about that, because I've ordered several times now and I think I've kind of got the hang of it. But let me take this bag off this so that way you can see. So I really wanted the pomegranate bin. So that was the husband's order. And yeah, so he ordered, and I was like, you guys are so cute. Like, they were ordering using my referral link, which I thought was super nice. So yeah, we obviously don't need 3 memberships in the house, but it was kind of fun. So my husband decided to order is it the Caldrea? I don't know. This is the sea salt neroli, which smells really good. This is the linen and room spray. Oh, this smells so good. So I was reading reviews on some of these scents, and I was like, holy crap. Like, you know, I'm a scent person. If you watch my wax videos, you know I love scent. So anywhere I can add scent, that's the same for the Mrs. Meyers things too as well. It's like washing dishes now feels different than just using like Dawn or, you know, just the normal. Oh, that smells so good. So I went ahead and I got a linen and room spray. I think at some point I have in my cart now a countertop spray. So I want to try the different scents that they have. They have a bunch. I like all the Miss Meyers products. I like the dish soap. I like the multi-surface cleaner. I like the hands. I really like the hand soap as well. These. Okay, so in my last order I had the hand towels. They are, what color is this? This is called Flax Beige. So I got red for Christmas, but I went ahead and got beige. They have black ones or gray ones that I think I want because these towels are super huge. I wish I brought my other one out, but it's a pack of 2, okay? These things are huge. They would be great for, like, if you're like me and you lay out your dishes on a towel to dry sometimes, or I have one of those foamy things. I don't know what they're called. I dry my dishes on that, but sometimes I need a second towel or a second, you know, something to lay dishes on. These work really great. I just love them as a hand towel. They're not cheap. They feel really sturdy and like they're gonna last a long time. So I'm super excited to get those. Okay, so then my daughter, she wanted some, oh yeah, so this is the thing. They have facial things like the Yes to Cucumbers line. They have the Yes to Tomatoes. They, you know, those kind of things. They have facial products. They have essential oils. They have microfiber cloths. They have like body care. Everything you could ever think of, they have on this site. It's like really amazing. And one of my favorite stores that I used to order from was drugstore.com. Well, they shut that down. So you know, some of this stuff I can't get anymore, and they had a pretty good selection of that stuff. Also, my Target. Every time I go to Target, it's kind of like hit or miss as to like what I'm gonna find. This site seems to have everything and like every scent. It's really amazing. Also, with your order, they send you, I think is really nice, the sweet card, and then they set you up with a, what do they call them? A Grove guide. And so you can text them. They actually have their freaking text number and their email, and they tell you about themselves, and you know, I just think that's a nice touch. I don't know. I actually, my very first order, I got a text from a person, and they just said, yeah, if you need any help or any recommendations, blah, blah, blah. So, all right. What is this? Okay, why? Oh, so this came off, but, so this was my husband's order. So he got, the little thing came off, but another scrubber, so that's part of your free kit. And then he wanted the lavender scent. Actually, maybe my daughter picked the lavender. So lavender soap, the lemon verbena dish soap in the Miss Meyers. I really like the lemon verbena scent. I did rave on the cream cleanser that they make. I really, really like that a lot. I love the scent of it. I usually use, I think I said this before, Barkeeper's Friend, but I don't like what it leaves behind, and I feel like my hands always feel so gross after using that, so the cleanser seems to be a little bit more forgiving. Okay, I've got the god dang sticker things. So this one, I think my daughter picked the white, so now we have a red, white, and a pomegranate. So I'm just gonna distribute these throughout the house and put certain products for whatever room they might be needing, might be using for. Okay, or what am I saying there? I'm just gonna put them in the room that they'll probably be most used in. So with the products that I would use in that room, if that makes sense. And then she also wanted the lemon verbena multi-surface cleaner. Okay. All right, and then one of you guys, and I can't remember, was it you, Bernadette? I feel like it was Bernadette that recommended this 7th generation wood cleaner. I think I was talking about it in my first or second video, in this lemon chamomile. This really does smell good. I was reading some of the reviews on some of the other wood cleaners, and this one seemed to be the best out of all of them. And I have to say, so far, I do really like this one. The other wood cleaner I use is like that Old English or whatever. The problem with the Old English is it puts a really big shine on your wood, but then it, like, after a while, it kind of like starts to, the shine doesn't stay. Like, the shine will last for maybe like a day or two, and then it starts to break up or something. I don't know, maybe at some point I'll show you guys, but this smells really good. I really enjoy the scent of this. I used it this morning. I really liked that. So thank you, Bernadette, if that was you who recommended it. Somebody did, and I appreciate that. One of my favorite YouTubers uses this Method Glass and Surface in the mint scent. She uses it on her, I saw her using it on her microfiber. I don't know if it's going to work for me or not. I would say be careful, like what you spray on your microfiber, because you never know how it's going to react. But I just thought that was such a good idea to like spray it down with something that smelled good. I think this is what she used. So we're going to try that. I'm going to try it on, I have a little microfiber like chase. Yeah, like a little lounge type chair, and I'm gonna try it on there and see how it does. I don't know why this like inspired me. That's not the right word. This intrigued me. That's the word. Aunt Fanny's Glass and Window Vinegar Wash. So this is mostly vinegar. I mean, it's not rocket science back here, but it's got white distilled vinegar and a bunch of other stuff that sounded kind of good. It's got some oils in it. So I just decided, let's try this, because my current window cleaner is not my favorite. What was I using? I can't remember right now, but anyways, I wanted to try something different. Okay, and then I also grabbed another, I've never found this scent before and it just sounded good. Squirt and Mop by Method, and this is in the Spearmint Sage. I really like these. I have the other kind. Was it Ginger Yuzu? I really like this product. You know, what am I trying to say? I've been using this in my Rubbermaid, what is that thing called? I don't know. It's just like where you squirt and then it's got like a little pad on the bottom. I can't think of, is it Rubbermaid Reveal Mop? I don't know. This smells, let me see if I can smell it. There's a third one too, but I figured I didn't need more than 2 right now. Oh, this one smells good. It's spearmint, but the sage gives it a little bit of a different something. So yeah, I put that in my little containers. So I've got that. And then 2 more things, and then that is that. I got the, I got the Full Circle, it's called the Microfiber Duster from Dust Whisperer. No, Dust Whisperer Microfiber Dusters from Full Circle. So this is what it is. I have not used it yet, but I did. It's a little bit like of a longer deal here. I did like this for like getting back. I always seem to have a problem like reaching back towards things. So I'm going to try this. I did read to hand wash this though, because I was hearing from people that, does it say on here? It says machine wash, but people were saying not to do that. So I'm fine with that. I don't mind hand washing something. I hand wash quite a few things anyway, so no biggie. But we'll try this and see how it works. I like the fact that you can wash this and reuse it, so I will try that. And then the last thing I got is one more. Like I said, I think this adds to your cart automatically for free when you, I think you can change the color too of the silicone, because it'll give you a silicone bottom. So this is the, again, the 16-ounce spray bottle with the silicone sleeve. And so what I was thinking of doing with these is either making my own cleaner with essential oils, and like I like to use rubbing alcohol and water for like a disinfectant. Like you spray it on your countertops, like if you've been doing a lot of heavy cooking, and then you just let it sit for like 5 minutes to kind of kill the bacteria and stuff, and then you wipe it away. So I was thinking about using that for this, or you can also buy like the Method. You can buy just a big container of like one of your favorite scents and just refill your bottle over and over again. I think that's also a really handy idea. But I really like these bottles. Like they seem really useful, and yeah, so I think that is it. Okay, yeah, that is, I am like loaded with the cleaners right now. Like I said, it's been helping me kind of get remotivated to clean and just kind of re-inspire me to get back to organizing and cleaning and all that. So yeah, if I could recommend anything, I would say the towels are really, really nice. I have a hard time finding good quality towels. I feel like I used to get mine from Kohl's, and I just felt like they never like lasted, or like they were just kind of crappy quality, whatever. And I feel like they last longer too. Also the European washcloths, a few of you commented on those. I still have the same one that I've had since, let's see, like 3 weeks ago, and it is still not smelling. Like it doesn't smell like anything like a regular wash rag would. I love that. I love to wipe my counters down with that. And then you just put it in your dishwasher to disinfect it. And mine came out great. I was like, what the hell is going on here? Like it doesn't seem that sturdy, but it really, really is sturdy. So, and then of course I like all the Miss Meyers products. I'm trying to think what else I have received that I really like. I don't know. It's not coming to me right now, but yeah. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, just let me know. If you need any help ordering, or if you aren't sure about something, just, you know, always ask and I'll always respond. And yeah, so again, just look in the down bar and I'll just put that little link for you if you just want to even just look and check it out just to see what you would get for free. So I swear these little bottles get thrown in there for free. Yeah, and I feel like sometimes if you reach a certain amount too, they throw in some more free stuff. I feel like I always get free stuff from them every time I order, so it's crazy. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys, have a great day. Oh, I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving as well. I don't think I've talked to you guys since Thanksgiving, so I hope everyone had a great time. Or if you were missing a loved one or whatever, I know this year was a first for us, so we were missing a loved one, and so it was a little bit harder, but we tried to make do. So if you were going through that, then please know that I was praying for you, or am praying for you, or you are in my thoughts. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.